Hello! Today, we're talking about EPISD Parent Portal and how parents use the system to access student and school information online. The portal helps families manage school-related activities and review important updates in one place. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video for more education and portal-related updates. Parents use the EPISD Parent Portal to check grades, attendance records, and class information through an online account. Many families also use the system to review announcements, schedules, and student progress during the school year. Another important detail is the login process. Parents sign in to EPISD Parent Portal using their registered username and password. After logging in, users can access student information, school notifications, and account settings connected to their profile. If someone doesn't already have an account, registration is required before using the portal. The EPISD Parent Portal may also include access to report cards, teacher communication tools, and school calendar information. Many parents use online school portals regularly because they help families to stay updated about student activities and academic progress. Thanks for watching this video about EPISD Parent Portal. If you want more videos about school systems, online portals, and education-related platforms, make sure you subscribe for future updates.